GovCamp Cymru is the unconference for people who are interested in public services improvement or innovation. And an unconference is a meeting in which the agenda is set by the people who choose to participate in it.
What is superb about this and what I love about it and why I keep coming back and will keep coming back is that there are so many committed, passionate people that give up their weekend to try and improve public services, to share ideas, to contribute energy and knowledge to topics, to help others work through problems and identify some of the solutions that they can take back to the office on Monday morning and hopefully implement some of those to make things better for the people of Wales.
I found it really exciting. I didn't know what to expect because it's my first time at an unconference, but it's really refreshing just to be able to meet people, circulate and genuinely share ideas in this open kind of environment. I hope at the very least that GovCamp Cymru will inspire people to think a bit more freely when they go back to their office jobs, to think outside the constrained boxes and to be able to have this kind of discussions in their own work environments and take things forward in a more creative, synergistic kind of way.
I think that GovCamp Cymru can make changes in public services by enabling other change makers to form networks and kind of share learning, to kind of build up like a playbook of tactics about how to convince people to do different things, maybe about building stuff to show them like what new ideas could look like.
I expect all sorts of people to go back into their organisations inspired by things that they've heard, ideas that have been generated, and for change to happen that way. You may not be able to point to GovCamp Cymru and say, yeah, we did that, but I know that things will change as a result of discussions that happened here today.